Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. I'm sat in a BMW M5 and next to me is a Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet and we're going to have a drag race. So let me tell you about this car. It has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8. It drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox and it has launch control and a special rear wheel drive mode where you can do skids in it. That Porsche has a 3.8 litre flat 6 twin turbo with 650 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. It's got an 8-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control as well. It's lighter than this car. That weighs 1.7 tons. This is 2 tons, quite a bit different. This particular car is from a chap called Imran at Evolve, and if you click up there you can actually go to their YouTube channel. He's done a stage 2 tune on it when I drove it before, and it's got new exhaust, downpipe, ECU remap, and it was putting out 800 horsepower. This thing was so quick. He's gone and tuned it again though, and now it has 1,000 horsepower. It's got a fully built engine, so forged pistons, strengthened internals, it's got hybrid turbos, it's got a meth injection on it. It's insane what it's done to it. Apparently, it's the most powerful BMW M5 in the whole of the United Kingdom. Now, the upgrades aren't cheap, 30 grand in total, but that's some power gain for £30,000. Yanni doesn't know anything about this. He's in that car over there. Let's say hello to him. Hi Yanni, you all right, mate?
Hey, hi Matt, how are you?
Yeah, I'm all right, you know, I'm just sat in a normal BMW M5. And I thought I'd race you in a 911 Turbo S because, well, you know how quick they are. So this is a test to see if my reactions are better than you and whether I can actually beat you in a drag race in a slow car.
You know I'm not blind.
Yeah, you know that car ain't standard. That's about...
What, 800 I reckon? My concern for you is...
I don't think you ever hold the power down to get off the line. But yeah, that's about 800 brake horsepower. Don't try it.
Yanni clearly knows about this car from the last time I drag raced it.
But I'm in a Turbo S, so...
But he doesn't know about the recent changes. He might be right about traction, especially with the new upgrades. You see, this car could really do with some drag slicks on it, but it hasn't. It's got normal tyres. So I can't use the normal launch control because it just can't hook up. So I'm just gonna have to hold it on the brake and see what happens. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted whenever we make a new upload. Anyway, let's get on with the race and see if we can humiliate Yanni, because that's what this is really all about. Before we race, let's do a quick sound check because the upgraded exhaust on this is awesome. So Yanni, have a listen to my car, listen to this.
Yeah, that sounds...
Awesome, that's got a great sound. Okay, fair enough.
Let's have a listen to your Porsche.
God.
It's not bad.
Seeing as these are powerful cars, I think we really need to warm up the tyres because like you said,
You are dubious as to whether I'm going to be able to put all my power down with my 800
horsepower.
Why are you pulling faces to the camera? I can see you've got no tints on the front windows.
I wasn't doing anything, I was just...
touching my face, you know. I try not to because of COVID, but it's just like a natural human reaction, that's all.
Anyway, I'm going to warm up my tyres. I'm going to go to two-wheel drive mode.
You went really high pitched there, means you're lying.
He's not stupid, is he? Let's do some skids. So easy to do in this. Go on, you have a go now with your four-wheel drive.
I never saw one donut, mate.
Oh, poor car. That's enough.
That's how you donut, baby.
Who do you think did the best donutty drifty thing? Was it me? Mine was kind of more balletic and controlled. His was just pure savagery. Let us know in the comments below. Come on, Hawk. He's ahead.
Whoa!
It really struggles with traction. Can I come past him?
Oh my God, here he comes.
I'm coming past him.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Mate, that is not 800 brake horsepower. That was ridiculous. That's not real.
That's not real, mate.
Busted.
Okay, got a confession to make.
I lied to you. This car
It's the first BMW M5 in the UK.
to have 1,000 horsepower.
Honestly, I got away and I looked and I thought, you ain't coming back. And literally, I blinked and you come past me and I'm like, what the hell? That car's unreal, mate.
Do you know what? It didn't hook up that well either.
If I had like proper drag slicks on this, it would have just gone.
Let's do it again, because it was just so good, and it didn't perform brilliantly in the first few gears because of traction issues.
Let's give it another go, see if I can beat you by even more.
I'm not surprised it's got no traction. It's got 1,000 brake horsepower.
What do you expect?
I get away, but look, watch now.
We're destroying this now. Look at this.
My God. That is fast.
The way it just beats this turbo is no joke. You know what? This car is doing to that car
What that car has done to every other car.
before now. I say to this Porsche, how do you feel now it's done to you?
Yeah.
I don't know what we put against that actually to give it a fair race.
Well, we need a Chiron. We need a Chiron, we need a Koenigsegg. Anyone got a Chiron or a Koenigsegg? Let us know. Review my car at carwow.co.uk. Email us. We'll definitely make that happen. So then what exactly happened? Well, the 1,000 horsepower BMW did the standing quarter mile in 10 seconds exactly. Meanwhile, the Porsche took 10.3 seconds. This means the Evolve M5 is the quickest car ever in a carwow drag race, dethroning the Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe, which has a best time of 10.1 seconds. But there is another vehicle which has also done a 10-second flat standing quarter mile. Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to watch the video to see what it is. Right, okay, riding race. I'm in efficient mode. Efficient in this, really, and automatic for the gearbox in its softer setting.
You are going to kill me here, aren't you?
That's if the car doesn't kill its gearbox first, but let's find out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, see that? But now, it's all over. Yeah, look at bloody hell.
Look at that. $150, $160, and it's pulling on me, $170.
How fast am I going? Oh.
Mate, I was doing 190 and you were pulling away from me like I wasn't moving.
Do you know what? This was showing 198 and then I kind of bottled it a bit. I thought better brake rather than seek out those 2 extra miles an hour because I think I'm just a big wuss.
Yeah, probably. But this Porsche is so fast. But I can't get over that car.
It's nuts, isn't it? Let's do it in manual mode, 3rd gear, and in sportiest settings, please. Here we go. Let's call it in. So, I don't know why I've got this voice on. 3, 2, 1, go. There is no lag on this. No lag. Ah! 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 I'm gone. That's 150. Where's he gone?
I'm doing 180 and he's drawn 10 car lengths on me. $200 miles an hour!
It's Yanni. I was wondering, when's Yanni going to turn up?
Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
This Porsche is no joke.
It is today against this though.
Right, there is a chance that you might win the next thing.
Because I think I've just destroyed this car's brakes. They're making a horrible noise. Now, before we get into the brake test, if you want to see what a normal BMW M5 competition like compared to its competitors in a drag race, click on the pop-out banner there to watch that video and see what time it does if you have the standard car. Finally then, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the line. Full emergency stop. My money is on the Porsche for this. Here comes the line. That's going to happen. Oh, it stops all right though. Hey, you won one. You were better at stopping than going than me. Well done.
I had to get the walkie-talkie and sort of flew forward.
Yeah, the brakes are really good on that car, aren't they?
They need to be to stop this weapon.
Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Also, let me know some other videos you'd want to see in the comments below. Also, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload.